Hormones are very important components of our body. They are basically the chemical messenger that travel throughout the body and perform very vital functions inside the body. Now, whenever there is any abnormality, whether it is structural or functional, it leads to some diseases in the human beings. Like here, the hyperthyroidism is one of those diseases. Today we will study that what is hyperthyroidism and what basically what is the cause of the disease, or which hormone is involved in causing hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism is basically an oversecretion of the thyroid hormone. So the culprit that is involved here is the thyroid hormone. Basically what happens that there is an excessive secretion of the thyroid hormone from the thyroid gland that is located here in the lower neck. It is responsible for oversecretion of the thyroid hormone, and that leads to an increase in the level of the thyroid hormone inside the body. So we can say that hyperthyroidism is a clinical syndrome that presents with excessive levels of thyroid hormones in the blood. Moreover, if you look at this term hyperthyroidism, it is also telling you that this is an overactivity or oversecretion of the thyroid hormone, as the word hyper mean increase or excess, and thyroidism mean the secretion of the thyroid hormone. So hypersecretion is basically the overactivity or increase in the secretion of the thyroid hormone. Now, thyroid level is increased in your body. What can be its effect, or what can be the consequence? You know that thyroid hormone's main function is it play an important role in the metabolism, and it increases the basal metabolic rate. Now, when the level of the hormone is above the normal range, obviously the basal metabolic rate will increase. When the basal metabolic rate will increase, so the patient will experience symptoms that are related to the increased metabolism inside their body. That can be sweating, increase in the heat production, and increase in the heart rate. These can be the symptoms that can be experienced by the patient of hyperthyroidism. So rest of the symptoms and rest of the condition we'll discuss later in this section. That was about the hyperthyroidism, that is the increased production of thyroid hormone in your body.